Babes, good morning. It's 8 o'clock and I'm so tired. I slept like absolute crap last night, but we need to get ready for my hair appointment, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to pop it Alani here in like 2 seconds because I need it. Okay, I am having some sourdough bread with some butter, and then I think I'm gonna eat a couple of dates as well. These are the ones I've gotten most recently. Sunday, as long as they're from California, I'm gonna get them. California always has the best dates. I've actually never seen anywhere advertise them, but okay, pepper's on. I'll show you guys my fit. Just some blind leggings and my New Balances. We're gonna go ahead and get in the car, and I'll see you guys at my hair appointment. Whew, okay, I'm back home. I not only just got done, oh my god, the static, with my hair appointment, but I also went and got lunch with one of my previous students, just catching up with her. Then I decided to, pop into Hobby Lobby. Didn't find anything. I just kind of wanted to see like what spring stuff they had out. I didn't really necessarily have like a plan on buying anything, but I just wanted to see what they had. And then I went into Salvation Army because on Saturdays they do 50% off, like I think every Saturday. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I did get from Salvation Army. I found some ridiculous things that were like so overpriced, but yes, I know it's not Halloween, but how gorge is this like super 2000s vibes little Halloween house with like these hanging pumpkins and this little witch. Like that is so freaking cute. I can't find out where it's from because it doesn't have like a name of anything on it, but this looks like they just don't make shit like this anymore. Like if I was to buy this now, the painting would suck and everything would suck, and there's like a little bit of a chip on it, but genuinely I think it's like so freaking cute. I think this goes around a candle because it has like the little lights and stuff, so I'm excited for that. But I just thought this was so cute, and it was $3. And then I got this jar that is like super dirty. I think there was like plants or like spices in here, and I actually broke the lid on it checking out, and it was really embarrassing, but I didn't need the lid anyways because I'm gonna use this to replace my Santa that's holding all my straws. So I'm gonna give this a good wash, and it's gonna hold all my Santa straws, or not Santa straws, but all my straws for my like Diet Cokes and coffees and stuff. And then this is a scary buy because I actually haven't tried these on, but these are a brand spanking new looking pair of Levi 515 boot cuts, and they look like they're the ones that are really nice and tight on the thigh and then genuinely have like a nice little flare at the bottom. So they're in size 6, and they look like they've honestly never been worn because they still have creases like on the leg. And these were marked for $9, so they were half of that. So I thought that was a pretty solid little deal. Excuse me, Graham. Then I found this gorgeous shirt from Chico's, which is so funny because I think this is like a little bit of an older person brand, but I thought this was just gorgeous. It's black, and then right here on the arm, it's got like lace flowery detailing, and the fabric is like kind of got like a shine to it. So I thought that was really cute, like teacher shirt. I told you guys I want to start leaning into some more darker colored things, and I couldn't find a tag on the bottom that told me like what the, oh wait, yes I can, I just missed it. Let's see if I got scammed into buying some polyester acetate. I don't know what that is, and then spandex. I'm here for it. I actually like really like that shirt. Yeah, I can't get over how cute that is. For $3, like I'm excited for Halloween already. But I got a couple things from Amazon, so I wanted to show you guys what those were really quick. I just had to reorder some more of my Wet n Wild concealer because why not? This is my lighter shade, so my more winter shade. It's in Light Honey. Really solid, super freaking cheap concealer that I love. Why are we getting into bag? I haven't seen you all day. My favorite thing that I got is this. It comes with two. I only needed one. It's a barbed wire chain. It's actually meant for Crocs or something. I don't even know. but I got it for my purse. So it comes with 2 of them, and it looks like this. I saw a creator on Amazon, or a creator on TikTok get these, and I thought it was so cool. I followed her Amazon storefront, and now I have one. She used it on her Balenciaga city bag, which if you guys didn't know, the Emerson baby tote, which is what I have, is kind of like a dupe for that. See where I can put this, or I could do it like this. I don't know which one I like better. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know. That is so fucking cute. I think for now, I kind of like her across the front. I feel like you can't see it if it's not across the front. I think I'm gonna go with it placed like this, like on the outside where you can see it a little bit more. Yeah, that's adorable. Ooh, that makes her look so good. I love that. I'll link that down below. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do with my day now, since we're still in productive day mode. I'm going to go on a run. Great thing about today is I don't have to prep a dinner. I've already done pretty much the cooking I needed. You can still see the dye on my head. It's embarrassing. I'm gonna put my hair up and I'm gonna get a run in. So don't go me crazy. Something about a carbonated 0 sugar soda before a run just smacks. And then I'm gonna eat like a date or 2, and then we'll go get a run in. And I've noticed I can't wear my compression sock anymore, like without it really bothering the rest of my foot. So I might have to do something a little bit crazy, and I think I'm going to literally like cut it after it goes to ankle, if that makes sense. Like I just need the compression on my ankle because it like cuts off circulation from the rest of my foot. So I'll see you guys out there.